Good morning, my dear students. So, today we are going to take revision of civics second lesson, that is diversity in society. Okay, students? So, let's start. So, we learn that there are many languages, many religions, cultures, customs, and traditions in Indian society are followed. Indian society people follow many languages, religions, and cultures. So, this diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. This shows the rich culture. We live among people, we live with different people who speak different languages such as Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu, etc. They celebrate their festivals. In India, we people live together with unity. All religions people staying together. That's why we are celebrating each other's festivals. We people attending their cultural events in a different ways. Their modes of worship are also different. Our country consists of regions with different historical legacies where this diversity is shared and celebrated. We are living in a country where these all festivals are celebrated, different languages are spoken, sharing and helping, जहाँ sharing और helping चलती है उस country में we are living in that country. As all these different communities in our country have lived together for many more years, a feeling of oneness has developed among them, and this feeling of oneness leads the unity in Indian society. We are staying together in a society. We are staying in a one society. That's why this unity, this shows the unity in a Indian society. Students, next we learn that diversity is our strength. Diversity हमारा strength है. Why? So to live with different groups is an experience of coexistence. Coexistence means what? To help, by helping each other to increase the level of understanding. When we are staying with different people, that time our level of understanding getting increase, and it acquaints us each other's traditions, customs, and the way of life, and then only we learn each other's life, their way of life, their cultures. We learn, and we also learn to respect each other's way of life, each other's religion. We also learn how to respect others' religion. These all things we learn by staying in a one community, one society. We even adopt certain traditions from others. This helps to increase, and all these things which helps to increase the feeling of unity in the society. And this social unity help us to face many problems, many cultural, many natural and social calamities together. When we are staying together, when we are living in a one society, that time if any problem is there, if people facing some problem, then we are coming together and solve this problem. Next we learn about the principle of secularism. In this, what we learn, that India is an important secular nation of the world. We have a great linguistic and religious diversity in our country. As I told you, that in India many religious people staying together. That's why religious diversity in our country. In order to preserve this diversity in a sound and a healthy manner, if हमें वो यूनिटीज और if डाइवर्सिटी रिलीजियस डाइवर्सिटी को प्रिजर्व करना है, दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट, वी हैव टू फॉलो अकॉर्डिंगली. सो start these principles. So first one is, no religion is recognized as the religion of our country. No religion is recognized. कोई भी religion ऐसा particular religion ये इस religion का है ऐसे recognize नहीं किया जाएगा of our country. Second one is, every person has the freedom of worship as their religion or the religion of their choice. Every person have their own choice of their worship for any religion. As per their choice, he can or she can worship. Freedom, he or she has a freedom of worship. There can be no discrimination among people on the basis of their caste, religion, gender. So the people of the religions are treated equally by the state. Not religion. All are equal. All human beings are equal. There is no partiality, no discrimination. Opportunity of education, means of livelihood and government jobs are made available to all. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. Next is, there are special provisions are also mentioned in the constitution that for the protection of religious and linguistic minorities, that minorities are free to protect and preserve their linguistic and cultural identities. They are also free to bring about the development of their own communities through education. The principle of secularism, which helps to maintain religious harmony in the society. So while living in a country, we all human beings are equal. Next we learn, students, about the contribution of society to our development. That what do we learn by living in a society. Society में रह के हमने क्या learn किया, what kind of values, qualities do we learn. Or let us see, first one is cooperation, means how to cooperate with each other, how to help each other by sharing our ideas, thoughts, express our views and ideas. So while living in a society, we have to express, we have to share our ideas, our knowledge to other people, or we have to help each other. So cooperation, all societies are based on mutual cooperation between individual and the community. Cooperation is the process of sharing and helping each other by solving problems and removing their difficulties. A family cannot remain together without an attitude of cooperation among its members. Day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. So that's why cooperation makes the interdependence in society. Means we are going to depend on each other in a healthier and allows inclusion of everybody in the society. In a process of inclusion and moving ahead, taking along all sections of the society. That means we must cooperate with efforts at that education and development of girls of the weaker section of the society. That if anyone is weak in our society, that we have to help them by financially or by helping in a education. So we have to help them, that is cooperate. We have to cooperate with them, that is cooperation. Understood, students? Next is tolerance and understanding. So just as there is a cooperation in the society, like as we are sharing our thoughts, ideas with each other while living in a society, same way there can be differences of opinions and disputes, conflicts are also there. So conflicts, if conflicts or disputes arises about their lack of agreement in their opinions and ideas, so and their views of the people, so prejudice or misconceptions about each other can also lead to conflicts. However, it is in nobody interest to keep the conflict going for long time. So we have to interfere and solve their problem. People find a way to resolve their conflict, and though compromise and through understanding they have to solve their problem and move ahead. Thus, conflict can end if people make efforts to understand each other and show the spirit of tolerance. An understanding attitude leads to a lot of new things, new learning. We accept new ideas, which helps to further enrich our social life. We become more tolerant. So that's why society provides us an opportunity to learn this simple method of well-being and peace of in a society. Understood tolerance and understanding? By solving their problem, if conflict is there, if dispute is there, by understanding, by taking efforts like efforts to understand their problem and solve this problem, वो conflict is not going a long time. Next is an opportunity to perform different roles. So in society we play different roles. Each individual has a several roles and the responsibilities and duties. While playing these roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many peoples. However, changes may occur in our parts we play. While living in a society, we are a student also, we are a daughter or son of of our parents also, grandson or granddaughter also. We play many roles while living in a society. Next is regulation of society. In order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. While living in a society, we have to follow some rules. So, in ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of traditions. But in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. Law is different from traditions and customs. So, the regulation of society through laws and traditions is carried out by different organizations and institutions. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the progress of regulation of a society. So, all of you understood, students, about cooperation, how to cooperate with each other, how to solve their problem, how to understand their problem and try to solve their problem. We we play many, as an individual person, play many role while living in a society. So all of you understood, students? Okay.